Home Remedies presents
Relieve ear pain with this natural trick. Here's how. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video, I will share with you a remedy that will soothe most earaches and infections. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Earaches are quite uncomfortable and can be very devastating. They tend to occur in one or both ears and the pain is either constant or comes and goes. At least once a week, I find myself recommending salt socks to patients, either for themselves or for their children. And everyone comes back to say, "Doctor, I cannot believe how well that worked." So, since the season of cold, flu and earaches is ahead of us, I thought it was a good time to share this with all of you as well. This remedy can be used on both children and adults as well. Anyone with an earache can reap the positive aspects of this remedy if they choose to do so. While it is quite simple, it is also quite effective. Instead of grabbing antibiotics, eardrops and various other medications, just make this simple remedy. Let's see how. Salt sock remedy. You will need all white cotton sock. I repeat, do not use colored socks or socks with a colored toe section or colored lines in the toe area. There is something in the colored threads material that is flammable and will melt when you heat the sock. Do not risk it. 1½ cup of coarse sea salt. It should be coarse, otherwise it will seep out of the sock. Directions. Warm a skillet on the stove over medium heat. Pour the sea salt in the sock, tie it closed and place it in the pan. Heat it up for 4 to 6 minutes. Pick it up and shake it around and flip it every minute or so it will heat evenly. Heat until it is very warm but not burning to the touch. Cover your affected ear and the area behind your jawbone with a sock and relax for a while. You will be amazed by the relief. The heat will alleviate the pain, heal the infection, and absorb any toxins. Moreover, sea salt can act as an antiseptic and will eliminate moisture from the ear. You can reuse the salt sock for a long time, though it will discolor after a while. Replace with a new one when it gets too old, dirty or worn. It is a completely natural, cheap and effective way to end your ear infection or pain. I do not recommend using a microwave to heat the sock. Therefore, remember to try it next time you experience an earache.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye